Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a fast backup. This protects your current animation if something goes wrong. Plug your device to the PC and enable USB debugging and developer options because you will push files directly. Once done, pull the existing charging animation APK or system resource folder to a local backup. Meanwhile, verify the replacement files use the same dimensions and naming, since mismatches cause display errors. Make sure you have a DB and root, or a file manager with system write access ready. Now you perform the replacement step. First, remount the system partition as read-write via a DB or use a root-enabled file explorer, because without write access you cannot change system resources. Next, copy your new PNGs or WebM into the same folder and keep the exact file names and folder layout. This ensures the OS finds them. After copying, set file and folder permissions to standard system values so the OS can read them. Once complete, verify checksums and ensure no extra metadata was introduced. Finish by rebooting the device to apply your new animation. Some systems load resources only on boot or when entering charging mode, so a restart is crucial. Once the system is up, plug and unplug the charger to validate the animation. Watch for correct timing and alignment. If the animation fails, make sure you restore your backup, then check file names, dimensions, and permissions. These are the most common causes. If problems persist, consult logs with a dblogcat to see resource loading errors and fix accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.